So I have returned to the Bay Hotel. I last stayed here in 2019 before the pandemic. Now I'm going to check it out again. I'm also going to check out a different room type that I stayed at. Let's take a look.
Welcome to Bay Hotel Cebu.
So looking at the map from Cebu Airport, it's located here. It's more like a 30-minute drive with Cebu's traffic. At present, with 668 rooms, it's one of Cebu's largest hotels in terms of rooms. It's located on a busy intersection, diagonally across from Park Mall, a small shopping mall. Let's take a look inside. Right off the bat, the staff here are warm and friendly, a nice welcoming feel when you arrive. It's a nice touch.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Paul Bar. I'm Rica Arabasto. We're open at 6 a.m. to 11 p.m.
So this is a rooftop pool and bar. You can see the infinity pool here with excellent views. The sunset's over there.
If you're staying for leisure, this is the first place you should check out. One side is the kids pool, and on the other is the main rooftop pool. It's located on the 21st floor, so it offers beautiful views of Cebu City and its surrounding hills. In the central part, they've set up some table and chairs as well as lounge chairs to chill by the pool, enjoy drinks or snacks from the pool bar. It's considered a lap pool, so it's not very large. Best time is late in the day, particularly when the sun is setting, as you get the city lights and the sunset in the background. How good is that view?
Hi everyone, my name is Nina. Welcome to Lovely Lunch. We're open at 3 p.m. to 12 noon.
I didn't really drink or eat here this time, but you can see my previous video for more info.
We've got two restaurants here, the steakhouse and just down here, a Japanese restaurant.
So first looking at their steakhouse, the restaurant just looks really suave.
For the meats, we have two types of steaks. The first one, we have the premium steaks, and then on the right side, we have the USDA choice steaks. For the premium steaks, it is served as a set menu, so it comes with soup of the day, salad, starch, which is plain rice, garlic rice, or mashed potato, and then it comes also with dessert. The best seller would be our prime ribeye steak, tomahawk, and the Wagyu A5. A few choices for our sauces, but we do have the marble and grain signature steak sauce.
The food was fantastic. That meat was delicious. So juicy. And it's some of the best steak I've tasted in Cebu. It is pricey though, particularly those premium steaks. I'm gonna have to set up an e-begging account to get one of those steaks.
This is the chocolate dome dessert.
And that chocolate dome dessert where they pour the hot chocolate that melts over that layer. Oh, it was just so good. This place would make for a great date night. Check it out, highly recommended. I'll need to work that off later. Next door, I tried the Japanese restaurant. Again, a nice setup. I had the tiger prawns sushi roll and it was real good. The food here at both these restaurants is just excellent.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Cafe Bay from Bay Hotel Cebu. Right, this is buffet. We offered international cuisine. We have Western and then Indian and Japanese station.
So these are the rates and times for the buffets.
Welcome to Cafe Bay Buffet.
I'll start off with a buffet breakfast. Right off, they've got a great selection of dishes. Plenty of those favourite breakfast hot dishes. Pastries, breads, fruits and salad. And as mentioned, there's also a variety of different cuisines you can try. Korean, Western and local, just to name some. There's plenty of choice. Even if you're a fussy eater, you should find something that you're gonna like. So this is the omelette station, so you get a bowl and fill up with the ingredients you like, and then they cook it for you. I tried to go a bit healthier, and that's my chef who's gonna cook it. And then you've got the other egg options like sunny side up. Anyway, even fussy eaters should find something that they like here. Worth noting, the juices are from powder. There is a lot of choice in drink options, as you can see. These are some of the local delicacies and I recommend trying them out. This breakfast is a great way to start the day.
So as buffets go in Cebu, this is one of the better buffets here in town.
So this is a dinner buffet. It's different obviously to the breakfast one. It's good quality food. Top buffets in Cebu include the Waterfront, Radisson Blu, Marco Polo and the Cedar. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it's certainly in the same league.
They've got all different types of cuisine here. This is the Japanese station.
Including tempura dishes and sushi.
And of course, a Cebuano favourite, the lechon barbecue pig. So with it being Halloween, they've got some special Halloween desserts. Look how cool they look.
If you've got a sweet tooth, you're going to be in heaven or hell. Good luck with your diet is what I say.
So this one's a local favourite, the halo halo, a famous dessert here in the Philippines. Hello.
Okay.
just for my vlog.
Only in the Philippines.
Bon appetit. Someone was actually having a birthday, so you can get a special birthday greeting here as well. On their roof deck on the 23rd floor, they have their Twilight Bar. They have different theme nights as well as different live music as shown. I went on acoustic night. You can kick back with the cold one. There's fantastic views of the city to one side and Mactan Island on the other side. Cheers to that. A nice place to hang out at night. And this is the view you get looking over the swimming pool.
Out the front of the hotel, they've got this coffee shop, Wall Street.
It's a nice casual place to hang out.
Welcome to Wall Street. Popular drink is the caramel macchiato.
Here you've got some delicious pastries and desserts. You'll never get skinny in this place.
Sit back with Bloomberg's on TV and you'll know exactly when to sell your Bitcoin.
Hey, I'm Glenn. Welcome to Fitness by Hotel Cebu. We open here 6 a.m. until 10 in the evening for Delhi. Yeah. Thank you.
After all that food, you seriously need to come here. Also worth mentioning is they have their function room. This was a birthday party set up.
So welcome to the one bedroom suite. You can see the kitchen area behind me. Then you've got the living area over there. And through that door is the bedroom.
So looking at the kitchenette, there's a sink, minibar, microwave. There's 10 coffee facilities plus a coffee machine.
If I could only take this home.
The living area has a huge 55-inch TV. It's a nice little living area. Then as we walk into the bedroom, you can see it's a nice design, looks contemporary and stylish. The bed's comfy and it comes with a work desk. To one side they have a wardrobe for hanging clothes with robes and ironing board, and on the opposite side they have the safe. In front of the wardrobe was the bathroom. I thought it was a little bit small for a suite room. Other than that, it was all good, modern, and everything was functional.
So I've got the sea view which looks towards Mactan Island. I wouldn't say it's the most amazing views. You've got containers here, but you've got a bit of an ocean view and Mactan Island distant. Over there is the new Mandalay Bay complex.
That place looks huge, but I actually prefer the city view myself, especially at night with the lights out. Directly on their website you can check ongoing promos. You can see on screen the different rates for each room type. Their Facebook page also has updates on any ongoing promos. You can book via third-party sites, but on the dates I entered I couldn't find any suite rooms available. I've seen this hotel rated as a 3-star hotel and a 4-star hotel depending on which site you're looking at, but believe me, it's more closer to 4-star than 3-star. I really like the place, the location not so much, but everything else, thumbs up. Highly recommended.
So for me, the Bay Hotel is still one of the best hotels you can stay in the metro area of Cebu City / Mandawi. If you need some ideas on what to do and what to see while you're here in the Philippines, check out this video on screen now. This will really help you enjoy the Philippines even more.